Today on the OMI Show, Handprint Flowers. It's the OMI Show! Hi, I'm OMI. Welcome to the OMI Show. We're dating on Sunday. So we're gonna make handprint flowers. You will need cardstock or canvas, yellow, green, white, tan, paper, ruler, 3 straws, glue, scissors, pencil, marker, paintbrush, and paint. Let's get started. Step 1. Decide you want a paper background or a canvas. You choose the paper background, cut it by 11 and 8.5 inches. And you choose a canvas. Paint it now and put it to the side to dry. Step 2. Ask someone to paint your hand and foot and place it on the white paper. Let them dry, then cut them out. Step 3. Draw 3 flower centers and 3 leaves, a flower pot, 5 by 7 inches, and a rectangle 1 by 7.5 inches. Then cut them out. If you need help, a stencil is down below. Step 4. Now take your cut handprint and glue the straw to it. Glue the flower center atop of the straw. Move it out the way and do this to the other 2. Did you know? Mother's Day in the United States is recognized on the 2nd Sunday in May. And Anna Jarvis is known for creating Mother's Day. Okay, now do you know? Let's get back to the craft. Step 5. Glue the flower pot to the flower pot top and let it dry. Step 6. Write a message on the flower pot. I wrote Happy Mother's Day. Step 7. Glue your handprint flowers to your background. Step 8. Put glue on the straws. And glue the flower pot down. Then glue the leaves. 1, 2, 3. That's it, you're done. I hope you have fun making the craft. And you make it, tell me on Instagram. If you like this video, click that like button. If you haven't subscribed, do that too. See you in the next video. Bye!